Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. First part of the Xiegu G90 review, and I'm at the beach. It's pretty cold, but hey, you know, that's what you have to do sometimes. So I'm going to operate probably both SSB and CW, and we'll see how it goes. I have the MPAS system from Chameleon Antennas with the 5-meter whip. Of course, there is no sand here. It's not a sand beach, so man, it's really hard to get this in. It's not very stable, but there's no wind practically, so it should be all right. Let's try the tuner. Awesome. But I'm gonna go on, I don't know, maybe I'll listen on 15 meters. Let's see. Well, there's some CW at least. Lots of traffic on 15 meters. Awesome. What is that? Russian? I don't know. Xavier is getting ready here. He's got his Xiegu 6100 and the MCSF, I think it is. I rarely use 15 meters because it's not that reliable really. Although the solar cycle is coming back, so it might be soon. We'll see. But I heard some Russians, or I'm not quite sure. I think they were Russians. No gunfire in the background. That's good. Foxtrot for Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. Foxtrot for Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. That's correct. This is Foxtrot for Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. Operator Gilles, Golf India Lima, do you copy? Foxtrot for Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee.
Again, Foxtrot 4.
Foxtrot for Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. Foxtrot for Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee, portable.
For Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee, or 559.
Thank you very much. You are 5-5 here in the south of France, in Antibes, on the Mediterranean, at the beach. Over.
Okay, thank you for the contact. And 73.
73. Oh, that was short. I have to say the tuner is quite fast, and I really like that. It's a pretty good tuner, and the audio quality out of the speaker is pretty good too. I like the G1M. The G1M surprised me, and the G90 is no exception.
Florida 4, Whiskey Bravo Yankee, good morning, bonjour. Nice to see you. Big signal, Gilles, you're 59 plus. The name is Amir, over.
Thank you very much. My name is Gilles, Golf India Lima. I'm here in Antibes at the beach, portable, with a G90 and a 5-meter whip. Back to you.
Roger, roger. Good copy, good signal. Thank you very much for the call. Nice to work you for the first time. Very, very nice and strong signal. Echo Sugar 5, Tango, Tango, Tango. ES5, TTT, QRZ 15 meters.
Very short also. I wish contacts were a little bit longer, you know, just a little bit of information about the person and the radios, the station, at least. But it's really no longer the case anymore. I'm not sure it ever was, but I think it was more common before to have longer conversations, and that's too bad. Frederick and Patrick arrived, so the gang is complete, almost. Jeremy isn't here, but maybe he'll stop by later. You know, one thing I like, and it's really not much, but when you press a button, you can actually put your finger right there, and that prevents the radio from moving backward. So that's pretty nice like this. And I know it's not a feature, but I do like it. The combination of the MPAS system and this tuner is really good because it allows me to really be multi-band, so to speak, and cover all the bands on HF with the same antenna. Of course, with a little bit of reduced efficiency, but since I'm outputting 20 watts, that just makes up for it. Xavier heard someone from Japan on 10 meters of all places. So he's got the Xiegu 6100. And the MCHF. Well, it's already 2:30 p.m. and the sun isn't there anymore, not quite, and it's getting colder. Anyway, well, still a good impression of the G90. It works. Nothing special really. It doesn't have any special features except maybe the tuner, which really surprises me. It's really fast and it works really well. I was even able to tune that 5-meter whip that I'm using on 160 meters. Of course, there was nobody there. I didn't even try to make a contact, but I didn't hear anyone. But it did tune the 5-meter whip, and that's to its credit. That's a feat in itself. So pretty happy about the G90. I will test it more. Of course, this is not a full review. This video is just another episode of it, so to speak. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's, again, nothing really special, but nothing really new. But yeah, I made... actually, I was heard on the Reverse Beacon network about more than 6,000 kilometers away. Like 5,000, more than 5,000 miles, I think. No, 4,202 miles, I believe. 4,200 miles. And that's pretty darn far. Of course, 20 watts CW. But, not really a surprise here. So I will keep using it. I will use it again. You'll see it again in other videos. I will receive my jacks to make a digital cable pretty soon. So that will be very interesting with GS8. And we'll see how that goes. But so far, so good. And the batteries are lasting, quite a long time. They were at 13.3 volts this morning, and now I'm at 12.8. So, and those are Litokala 7 amp hour. Well, it's more like 6, but 7 amp hour cells, and they work really well. Live PO4. So I'm happy with the energy consumption, the current draw. Quite a bit more than my other radios. It's about 400 milliamps. But given the capacity of the battery, and now we have better chemistries, it's not really a problem anymore. It used to be, but now it's quite enough to have 4 cells and 7 amp hour. It does the job. All right, I'm gonna stop babbling. Here's the train again, and until next time, have a good one.